Hi guys, I am vlogging after months, like literally months. I have footage जो मैंने अभी तक upload भी नहीं की है. That footage is from August, September, and we are mid-October right now. So literally after a month, I'm vlogging. You guys really want to see my vlogs. It's just that I haven't been in that space. I've been working from home. I have switched jobs. A lot of changes coming in my life. So yeah, I'm having green tea, by the way. And no, I'm not sick. It's just a little bit here and there. I was actually working on some work stuff. Basically, my timings have been shifted for work. So I am always working till 9:30. So I'm working on that and sipping on some green tea and watching some YouTube. Of course, I just watch YouTube most of the time. So yeah, that's the plan. I am planning to vlog as much as I can. Let's see how things would go, but yeah, it's just how life is. I mean, at least my life is. I keep on telling the same shit, but this is the next day, guys. I went for my morning walk. Now, this is something that I've been doing for the last 3 to 4 months, and it has worked so well for me in terms of whether it's losing weight or just maintaining my weight. And I feel like cardio has really worked for me. Weightlifting really helps sculpting my body, but if I really want to shred some pounds, then I would ensure that I keep on doing this. I take Simba with me as well in the morning. But anyway, the moment I reached home, I realized I got my periods, and these days when it comes to my periods, I really try to focus on relaxing and just listening to my body rather than doing anything else. So that is like always my main thing. So of course I had to pamper myself, so I'm just doing a little face mask. Now whenever you're working from home, it really doesn't matter if you have like just one single pad on, but I remember whenever I used to go to office, it was always a hassle to keep on going to the washroom and keep checking that if you've got any stains or not, or if it's really worthy, because sometimes first days are quite heavy flow and then second day is normal, and then on other period times it's the other way. So that's when I found these Azaz period panties. These are the Azaz disposable period panties that come with leak lock technology. The best part about these period panties are that they give you up to 500 ml of absorption, which is crazy. Now of course we do not shed so much, but this is just in case. And the reason why this is because it's not only for periods but also if you're a postpartum mom. So these are going to be quite convenient and great for you. Now it comes with 3 times more absorption. It has a 360-degree protection, and look at the coverage. It looks like a nappy, but trust me, it's so convenient. Sometimes I just wear it as it is, underneath my pants, and they are so easy to go. First of all, you have no worry about leakage. Secondly, these are cotton soft. That is something that I really like about these panties. Now of course in the market you have a lot of them available, but when it comes to your down area or your vagina, it's very important to take care of the quality of the material that you use to avoid any kind of infection. So I suggest and trust Azza. Now I've been using their pads since a really long time, but when it comes to convenience, I think period panties are to go option, and they're quite affordable as well. So if you are interested in buying these panties, I'll leave the link below. These are perfect for your rescue for postpartum and your overnight worries, so do check them out. Of course, after face mask I had to do my skincare. I think during periods it's very important that you take care of your skin, and you can see I have a pimple. That clearly means that my periods are here. I always break out before my periods, and I take care of my skin in such a way that eventually I get rid of those period marks as well. So moving on, I decided to pamper myself with another amazing food recipe. You guys will see a lot of food recipes coming in. Over here I was just making nice yummy pulao. During periods, not just during periods in general, I cook quite a lot, but during periods you want that extra pampering. I always crave for some savory items, and then suddenly I start craving for chocolate. But anyway, here you can see I just sauteed everything, added Maggi masala and all the other masalas, and it was ready. Then I went ahead and filmed a bit. I did my makeup, so I was pretty happy. And the same day at night I had made rajma, which was so delicious. I think it was the next day when I started filming my cash stuffing videos, which by the way is already up. I think this was for the month of October anyways, so you guys know how delayed these vlogs are. I think on the second or third day of my period, I made this biryani, which was so freaking delicious. Of course, it's veg biryani because I'm a vegetarian, and absolutely loved it. Just look at how the entire rice fell apart. Like, it was properly cooked, not undercooked, not overcooked, just exactly how one would like. So, yeah. I loved this biryani as well. It was super yummy. After that, I started with my planning. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me about 2025 planners. Of course, I'm going to be doing those videos. You guys know how much I love planning. Planner is a part that is never going to leave me, no matter if I'm 30 years old or 40 years old. It's such a basic thing. Everybody does planning, but the planning stuff depends from person to person, right? So that's the thing. So I'm just here updating the planner. You guys can enjoy the way I do it. It's a little different than what one would usually do. I kind of bulk update as well to pre-plan. After my entire planning part was done, I started with another cooking recipe. You guys, this entire vlog series that I'm going to start is going to have lots of recipes. So I was making here palak paneer. Pretty simple recipe. We start off by sauteing some onions, and then in this we add in the puree, tomato puree, palak puree, and your regular, spices, nothing special. I just added here ginger garlic paste. So let me know if you guys enjoy these vlogging style recipes. I would love to do them more. I literally can't wait to share more of these recipes with you guys, and a lot of different ones as well. I've been just enjoying the entire process of cooking lately. So here my palak paneer was ready. I will be, working on the kind of style of my vlogs, and I'll definitely give you guys better vlogs. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in such kind of things, a lot of productive things, then yeah, I'll be seeing you guys pretty soon.